Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, happy, what's today? Happy, again? Look at my beautiful daughter Royalty. She is just, I don't know what the issue is, but we're in the outlet, Empire Outlet. Look at this, beautiful. Oh, this is so pretty. You want to take a picture? You want to take a picture? I don't know where grandma is. So yes, y'all, I told y'all we was coming to the outlet. I had to come to Nike to get my baby some sneakers for school. And I'm meeting my mom here. As y'all know, she's in Staten Island. I do love the Gap Factory. All right. Let's see. Let's find my mother. Royalty, that's why you ready to go back to school? Recess and lunch.
I'm gonna post it too. No, don't even think
Look at my mama. That girl said it was nice outside. I didn't get the memo because I know it said 67 degrees.
Yep.
You fresh?
Okay. I'm gonna be fresh when I get my husband.
Oh no.
what you say.
Oh, the Gap store. Where we at? What is it called? Shake Shack.
She walks slow.
Y'all, you can't live. We got 3 burgers, 3 french fries, 3 drinks. $50.
So she's coming down to the lower.
You can't even go out to eat. I'm like, what in the world?
Let's fly.
Ma, you usually get a single burger? Oh. And everything you buy separate. Like it don't come as a meal. Which I don't understand that. But yeah. You saw his Crocs, boo-boo? So went shopping. We went to the Gap Factory. We went to Nike. We did get Royalty some sneakers in there.
Was you able to get the other stuff that you needed?
But we gotta get her one more pair. We got Zion some what do you call that? Stop! What? We got Zion some shirts. Alright. Royalty got some shirts. What you need some more of? Oh, some underwear, right? What's that under your eye? Oh, it's a shadow. I thought it looked like a bruise. I'm like, what in the world? Look at my baby up. They're getting the smoke right now. Yeah.
Where we gonna be sitting, it's gonna be benches, right?
That's all she do. I told y'all, where there's a will, there's a way. If she wanna go, she gonna get there. She making plans right now to go somewhere. Look at her. She anxious. That's why she biting her nail. Where you going, Mom? Mom.
I'm trying to go
Where you going? I told y'all, if she want to get somewhere, she's going. Wheelchair, crutches, it don't matter. All right. My food should be here soon.
It's so crazy because...
So the food is here.
I'm going to eat food.
Look who's happy. You happy, Papa?
I love you, and I'm going to
Yes.
I love you. Okay.
What I told y'all. What I told y'all the other day in my last vlog. Crutches, wheelchair, cane, and you know them suits, them cash. She could have, you know, the full body cast, and she's still gonna find a way to get shipped to wherever she wanna go.
The next day.
Zion's birthday is coming. We're in Target. Say hi, mommy. Yep, that's Nasty Reese. Oh, look at the bag, Jan Sport. When I was growing up, this was in. It's still in if you. But look at her in a rush. Sorry.
You think they only got 2 left?
What? There's only 2 left.
Yeah.
That's what I saw online. Okay. Come on. Come on, lady. Come on, lady. It's 2025. Why people, when you're holding the camera, people look at you weird? I'm vlogging. Oh, I gotta. This is what I was talking about. Look at the guys. Yes, my boy Duke Dennis. For mom?
The small one is gone.
But yeah, but on Amazon it don't cost this much.
For the big one?
Yeah, it's $30. Target be trying to run it up, run it up. Okay, let's see. We are in here to get Zion the MetaQuest, the Oculus MetaQuest 3. So God willing that they have it. Let's see, because I don't know exactly where to look. Let's see. Okay. Oh, they have it.
That's it? That was
Yep.
it?
He's gonna be so happy.
There's different ones, $4.99.
Yeah, so this was the one that I was telling you that is not as, the best way to say it, HD. It's not as raw, real. And I guess if maybe you may not have $500 to spend, you say, okay, I'll do the $299 one. Because I did search the difference. And this one, I believe, comes with less gigabytes than that one. This one is like 200 and something. This one is 512. I'm saying gigabytes. So, yeah, I want it. And it looked like they got 2 left. Like I was saying.
The MetaQuest 3.
Mm-hmm. This is the 3S. That's the 3. Yep. So, now I gotta to find a worker, as you can never find nobody here. So his grandmother's buying him this. I'm so excited.
Thank you. That was fast. I didn't even get to work.
How many up? She's buying it for him. Can y'all believe? My son, he worked hard this summer. And I promised him that if he works hard, saves some money, then I'll put the difference to his Oculus.
Well, I hope he's putting the majority.
And he is.
Oh, okay. As he should.
Because he kept asking me to buy him stuff off the card. I said, whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm not about to give you my whole $500. He really wanted the iPad, the 13. And I think it's the iPad 13 is about $1,300. But yeah, this one we'll go with. Oh my God, my daughter is off the chain.
Tell your vloggers how your baby called me a dirty gal. I can't even say it how she said it.
Dirty gal.
She's just a dirty gal.
A dirty gal. I said, what you said? Chill. Shoot. I'm sorry, mommy. Well, we are empty-handed.
I'm sorry. She's your child. I'm sorry for you.
We wasn't able to get anything because false advertisement and somebody doing their job wrong.
But
saying
I
that
just told her to take it out. Why would
She
you?
ain't gonna take it out, so when somebody else come now, you gotta do extra work looking.
You got the key right there. Or whatever.
It's not in the store, but online it say 2 in the store. Maybe we should try. But how the man gonna tell me, oh, the other one you could get more gigabytes? That's not the one you want your son. So why are you trying to tell me to get that one? My son is going to freak out on his birthday. I'm gonna prank him the day before. I'm gonna say, Zion, I looked all over and I was not able to get it. But I'm gonna try and see if I can find it online and order it. And hopefully I'll be able to get it. Please don't be upset with me. Mommy tried. You're gonna be like, all right, Mom. I feel like I'm about to cry. Wait. I feel like I'm about to cry right now. Because I know when you really want something and somebody tell you they don't have it. You're like, oh man, because he's gonna go to school excited, thinking he coming home, and maybe he won't. Because he did ask me, did I have it already? And I was like, I don't have that yet. And then I said, maybe I do, maybe I don't. So, but we're gonna go to, you wanna go in Best Buy?
Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna go in Best Buy. And here my mother gonna tell the Target worker, yeah, we're gonna try Best Buy. They might have it cheap. Oh boy. The journey of looking for this Oculus.
Whoa.
You like it, Ma? Like,
Where am I?
Oh, you better not. You somewhere.
Oh, I'm supposed to hit these things that's flying at me?
Yeah.
Oh, it said level.
You gotta
field.
slash it, yeah. You gotta slash them. When you see the arrows, red and blue.
Red and blue?
Yeah,
Slice them both?
your right hand
Oh.
is blue and your left hand is red, whichever
Yeah.
one. But you gotta slash them in the direction of the arrow.
Yeah, I got it.
my son, he
Okay, all right, okay. I had enough.
Yeah, some things come at you gotta duck and hide.
okay.
1 hour later.
But can you leave out
This
the
is what
spicy
they're
pack
eating.
and just put
Probably.
the other pack? Huh?
Which is spicy? Is it this? Or do you think it's this? You think it's this?
So you don't have to put that. You could just put a little bit.
Yeah, you probably could just put.
Tastes good. We gotta eat that every day. Every day.
You gotta go get more, Donzo.
We gotta eat that every day.
So yeah, they are trying this. It's spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy.
It's spicy.
It tastes good.
It's the spicy noodles.
So I like the fact that I can control my temperature of my heat.
Yeah, instead of it just comes spicy. You can't really. Yeah. She is busting it down. If she could eat that, she could take space.
Yeah, that's it.
I can eat it, but I gotta take breaks in between. I can eat it, but I gotta take breaks in between.
Yeah,
My nose
right.
is running.
Cherries, you gotta eat pepper. To make I watch. I don't know. Tell me I
So-
snack everything.
Yeah, my nose is running.
We did get the
Wow, royalty.
what do you call it?
Mega.
Meta. It's not called the Oculus no more. It's called Meta. So So we did get the Meta Quest 3. And I'm still gonna do my little trick and what I said I was gonna do to him. But yeah, he's gonna be 17 years old. Somebody in here got a birthday. Yeah. Oh, Sharice and the guy was bonding too because he's a Virgo.
He's a September baby.
So why you was dancing?
Because September baby.
It doesn't matter. Why you was dancing? He was. So why you told him the day of your birthday? He was like, his birthday is the 13th.
Yeah,
She was
so
like,
our
oh, mine is
birthday's
the
the
11th. And then he gonna get serious talking about, you know, let me tell you the truth. You know what it is? They really be hating on us. Like they really hate on us.
And the birthday of the night.
The 9th of September.
Oh, this is the night too. Oh, wow.
I was like, move it along, cause I'm with the L gang. Sorry, I'm with the L gang.
You in September.
I ain't with the V. I'm not with the V gang. So yeah. Oh, and husband went to pass me this. Went to Juicy Patty today. If you know Juicy Patty in Jamaica, they opened up a bunch of franchises in New York. And he got some cocoa bread. This bread is real soft. And Juicy Patty. Oh. Juicy Patty. Yeah. So we got mild. He didn't even tell me he was going, but yeah. So there's one, he told me there's one in the Bronx also. Where we're in the Bronx, correct? You don't know?
Where the street you right there,
E? Oh, don't ask me. Because I don't know nothing. No streets in the Bronx. I know T-Bow, Valentine, Gun Hill. I know, what's that, babe, by my father? Grand Concourse. And yeah, and Jerome, yeah. But yeah, so
How do even Chinese people eat this?
get royalties.
How do
It's
Chinese people
spicy.
eat this? How do Chinese people eat this?
I don't know. Yeah, so and this also is a continuation of the vlog that I started when I went to Staten Island. I just came home. I was tired. I did not even cook. I ordered Domino's pizza and that was it. I went to sleep and that was it for me. So, yeah. But stay tuned to the next vlog and I love y'all.